Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we've got something special for all you gamers and streamers out there.
The Logitech Yeti Orb microphone.
Let's see if this budget-friendly mic lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design.
The Yeti Orb sports a sleek, modern look with its ball-shaped design and charcoal gray mesh fabric. It's a departure from the retro styling of its predecessor, the blue Snowball, but it stands out on your desk. One neat feature is the customizable RGB lighting, which not only adds some flair to your setup but also indicates when the mic is active.
Plus, it's got this cool Logitech G logo at the top that changes color to let you know when you're live.
Setting up the Yeti Orb is a breeze.
It comes with a removable desktop stand that's sturdy enough to keep the mic in place during intense gaming sessions.
And with its USB-C connectivity, you can plug it into your PC or laptop without any hassle.
Now, let's talk performance.
Despite its compact size, the Yeti Orb delivers impressive sound quality straight out of the box. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or video conferencing, your voice will sound clear and full-bodied. I did notice that you need to be relatively close to the mic to get the best sound, but that's a minor inconvenience considering its affordable price tag. And while it does a decent job of reducing background noise, you might want to tweak the settings in Logitech's G Hub software for optimal results.
Speaking of which, let's talk about the software.
The Yeti Orb works seamlessly with Logitech's G Hub, giving you access to a range of voice modulation tools and preset filters to enhance your audio quality.
Plus, you can customize the RGB lighting to match your setup. So, here's the bottom line. If you're in the market for an affordable yet reliable gaming mic, the Logitech Yeti Orb ticks all the boxes.
It's easy to use, sounds great, and adds a touch of style to your setup.
Sure, it might not have all the bells and whistles of pricier models, but it's a solid choice for beginners and seasoned gamers alike.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!